I missed that intersection point.
We're an alternative school as classified by the state of Colorado, which means we serve students that are traditionally overaged or undercredited, or students that might not have been able or aren't finding success in a big school, because we have very large schools here in the district.
Walking in here is like a big community.
If I had to use one word to describe Endeavor, I would say supportive, just because I feel like more supported at Endeavor than I ever have at any school.
Like sketch a graph by hand.
They understand that you have a life outside of Endeavor, and that you may have a job, you may take care of your siblings.
Our classes are all capped at 17 at the largest, and many of them are smaller than that. And that's really important for us so that teachers can really build relationships with students. And that's one of the reasons that we are successful here at Endeavor, is because our students are able to form relationships with students, and our students feel trusted and cared for by our staff members as well.
So I always tell the students the reason I'm teaching is because of them. We really get to know the students on a deeper level, and they open up to us and they really inform us on how we can support them best.
My teachers are always really nice to me. I feel like I could probably confide in any of my teachers. I love all of them.
And there's no place like Endeavor as far as being able to build relationships with students, be able to impact change with students, those types of things.
They're helping me get my high school diploma so that it shows when I apply that I actually put the dedication into actually getting my high school diploma, so I have more qualifications for certain jobs.
Yeah, I feel like Endeavor actually gave me the chance to succeed after feeling like I couldn't.
The students here they're the greatest reason to be here, honestly.
I love the community here.